Linux. See how the tabs come out? Those 4 tabs. Alright, so la da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh, come on. Here's how you remove it. MERV 8. Installed. I wrote down. Come on. I wrote 11/16/22, which was a few days ago. Then you push it in there. You gotta take the whole thing out. Take it out. And then you're right. 11/16/2022. That's how we do the dates here in America. America, live free, breathe freely. USA, 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 USA. Why won't you go in there? USA, go, 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 go. Take a look around. Nicely done. Nicely done. My finger, I got dried up blood creeping upward day by day on my fingernail. Linux. Who is Linux? The boxer? I don't know. Maybe. It's a possibility. Gotta get the tabs in. See that tab? Yeah. Alright. 20 by 25 by 5. And then you can write what day you installed it. But this one's, see how it goes? Airflow downward. It's kind of, it's stuck because it's a little broke at the bottom. No, this is, I cleaned it out a lot, but it's still filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy. That's garbage. Garbage. And take this cover off and you put the new one in. And make sure the airflow is going the right way. Usually. Yeah. Alright, so the MERV 8. Alright, make sure the airflow is going. Here's how you install it. Look up there. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And just hopefully the airflow is going that way. It should be going that way. And then clean this if we have to. Might have some that came off. Didn't want that to come off. Anyway. Just flop it up there. Make sure these tabs are. And look, see this tab? Make sure the tab goes in the hole. Push. There. You just push, and it's in. Filter has been changed. And I have a spare one. Just keep this one on hand. That's how you remove and install a MERV 8 air filter. Yeah, 20 by 25 by 5. forced air furnace filter. Alright. Have a great and wonderful day. Jeez. 2 of them. Alright. Nothing new.